Evaluate the indefinite integral 6x squared plus 2x minus 5 dx, where f of 2 equals 8. So this part right here, we need to make sure we pay attention to. This is called an initial value. And initial values are really important because with an initial value, we can take our final answer, which generally we express in what's called general form. And general form tells us that we just put a plus c at the end of the thing. We do that most of the time, but occasionally we'd like to solve for a particular solution. So a particular solution of a differential equation, you need an initial value. And that's what we have right here. So we have something of the form f of x equals y. So the initial value is the point x equals 2, y equals 8. And so that is a particular point where this function passes through. So we're going to use that in the end to find a particular solution. The first thing, however, is to find the general solution to your antiderivative. And that's just a matter of using the power rule in this case. So the power rule, we would do 6 times x cubed over 3 plus 2 times x squared over 2 minus 5x plus c. The plus c makes this a general solution. And that general solution, what I'm going to do is simplify it a bit. We'll say this 6 divided by 3 is 2x cubed. 2 over 2 is 1, so plus x squared minus 5x plus c. Now, this right here is equal to my function f of x. And I am saying that f of 2 is equal to 8. So to find a particular solution, what I need to do then is say, what is f evaluated at 2? Well, it would be 2 times 2 cubed plus 2 squared minus 5 times 2 plus c. We don't have anything for the c. What would that equal? Well, it equals 8. That's what our initial value tells us. So the only thing left in this equation right here, so from this part over to here, is one variable, c. Let's solve for it. So 2 cubed is 8, times 2 more is 16, plus 4 minus 10 plus c equals 8. And 16 and 4 is 20, minus 10 would be 10 plus c equals 8. Now if I subtract 10 from both sides, c equals negative 2. So now I can say that my function is 2x cubed plus x squared minus 5x minus 2, because I just solved for that constant c. And what I have now is known as a particular solution. And that's how we solve an initial value problem.